So hey everybody, we're here with Sheng En from 2025 FOP. Today we visited BenQ and right now we are at that Toyota museum with all the cars and everything else. So what do you like about today? What do you like about Toyota, BenQ?
Okay, I really like Toyota because we can get to see the museum and all kind of different cars. And also there is car racing simulation inside, which is really fun. And I feel like BenQ, everyone has been very helpful. I can get like more insight about BenQ and make me think about more about my career.
In principle, the city operates at what we call the speed of business.
We know about the city halls, what they're focused about, and we also play the video game. I'm a winner.
Hey Vicky, hey son, what do you think about today's visit to Ultra? How are you liking it so far?
I like the feel. I really like how they make this car. Like everyone stands on it, and even have our personality.
Well, yeah, your top 5 strengths or Clifton strengths. Yeah, everyone took the test and
Yeah, we can see that how much effort it is.
yeah, that's
Really
good.
appreciate. Yeah.
If I remember correctly, people aren't moving.
No, that's for the Dallas Cowboys football team practice.
Hey Thomas,
Hey.
we are outside, well, inside the AT&T Stadium. What do you think about the visit?
Well, I think it's excellent. We looked at this huge stadium, very tall, very high. Went to the sweet spots, went to the change rooms, and yeah, it's amazing.
Cheers!
There you go. Thank you.
So if we think about leadership and followers, do followers make the leader or do leaders make the followers? And so if I want to talk about, Elizabeth, the person who's great in a soldier, I have a story to tell about that because people remember stories. So remember this, your life is a story. You are telling a story in your life. You're leaving a legacy right now.